April has not even ended yet, and parts of India are already touching 45 degrees. So, what's really happening this year? Is this just a harsh summer or is something changing? Hi everyone, this is Shubhi and welcome to Shubhi Speaks. Normally, if you think about it, May and June are supposed to be the peak summer months in India. April is hot, but not this extreme. But what we are witnessing is heat waves are starting earlier and are lasting longer. So it's not just temperature increase. The time of the seasons itself is shifting. A lot of people are saying that this is because of El Nino. And yes, that's partly true. El Nino basically means the warming of the Pacific Ocean, which weakens the monsoon system and reduces the cloud cover over India. When there are fewer clouds, more amount of sunlight hits the land and increases the temperature. Some people are even calling this a super El Nino year. But here's an important point. El Nino is adding to the heat. It is not the only reason. Another reason is dry soil. If there hasn't been enough rainfall earlier, the land becomes completely dry. And dry land heats up much faster. Think of it like a sponge. The sun's energy first goes into evaporating that water and then only heating it up. So the process is much slower. But this time, because the rainfall was low, that water in the sponge is missing. The cities in particular are experiencing the urban heat island effect. All the concrete, buildings and roads absorb heat during the day and then releases it slowly at night. But this time there's something else adding to it. A heat dome-like situation. Basically, a high pressure system traps hot air over a region, like a lid, and not let that escape. And when this combines with the urban heat, the cities start feeling more intense. And then there's another thing called as the wet bulb temperature. Our body cools itself by sweating, but when there's humidity, the sweat doesn't evaporate properly. So basically our bodies struggle to cool down. And this is what the wet bulb temperature measures. How hard is it for your body to handle the heat? So sometimes it's not about just the temperatures, it's how it feels on your body. And all of this is happening on the top of something bigger, climate change. The heat waves are becoming more frequent, more intense, and they are lasting longer. So this is not a one-time thing. So when you see 45 degrees in April, it's not just summers. It's El Nino, dry land, urban heat, humidity, and climate change all coming together. And maybe this isn't an exception anymore. Maybe this is what our new normal is starting to look like.